Put aluminum foil in a pot of boiling water. For years, I worked as a housekeeper for wealthy people. This trick saved me a lot of nerves at work. When I first heard about this trick, I didn't want to believe it worked. Place a pot of water on the stove. Then bring the water to a boil. Cut aluminum foil into squares. Make them into walnut-sized balls. Drop them into the boiling water. I also throw in the cutlery that needs polishing, with tough-to-remove stains and spots. I boil them for 5 minutes and turn off the stove. I lay them on a kitchen towel and dry them off. The cutlery doesn't need polishing, just dry them and they're ready. They have no stains and shine beautifully. The steel has no spots and looks like new. Your cutlery will look like new, clean, shiny, and stain-free without scrubbing or polishing. Prepare a glass baking dish and place the cutlery inside. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of salt, followed by baking soda. Baking soda has excellent cleaning properties. Now, pour a little vinegar over the cutlery. The vinegar will make them even cleaner and shinier. But that's not all. Pour hot water over everything until the cutlery is fully submerged in the solution. Wait 15 minutes and let the ingredients work their magic. After that, take out the cutlery and see how amazingly it shines. This simple method restores the sparkle to your favorite forks, knives, and spoons. The results are truly spectacular. Just dry them off, and you're done. Try this method and see how easy it is to achieve spotless, gleaming cutlery. Drop your cutlery into boiling water, and this trick will surprise you. Start by preparing a pot and filling it with water, enough to cover more than half of the pot. Bring the water to a boil. Once it's boiling, toss in all your cutlery. Grab some aluminum foil, tear it into pieces, and roll them into balls. Drop them all into the pot with the cutlery. After a moment, add about 3 tablespoons of baking soda, known for its excellent cleaning properties. Let the cutlery boil for a few more minutes to allow the ingredients to do their work. After that, take the cutlery out and place it on a towel. Gently wipe it down. Next, prepare a bowl with cold water and dip the cutlery in. After a moment, transfer them back to the towel and lightly polish them. This is a simple way to restore shine to your favorite forks, knives, and spoons. The trick gives truly spectacular results. Just dry them, and they're ready to go. Try this method and see how easy it is to achieve spotless shine on your cutlery. Every dishwasher has a hidden function. I use it when the dishwasher is full and won't accommodate any more dishes. Everyone knows that the dishwasher won't function properly if you load it with large bowls or pots that block the blades. You also can't wash tall glasses that won't fit on the upper rack. You've surely faced this problem before. It's impossible to use the dishwasher in such cases. You end up taking out and rearranging dishes endlessly. But it turns out that the same dishwasher can accommodate all these dishes. Tall glasses can fit on the upper rack. Or you'll finally be able to place large dishes on the lower rack. How is this possible? The dishwasher has a certain hidden function. Few people use it. Some dishwasher users don't even know about it. Yet it's incredibly important for everyday dishwasher use. In every dishwasher, you can adjust the upper rack to 2 different heights. You can lower it or raise it. If you're loading tall dishes on the lower rack, then raise the upper rack. If you have tall glasses to wash, lower the upper rack. Some dishwashers have special buttons for this. In others, you just need to grab the upper rack when it's extended. Are you using this dishwasher function? Did you know about it? This trick with a dishwasher towel will dry wet dishes in just 5 minutes, and without any wiping. Do you ever find that your dishwasher doesn't dry the dishes? What do you do when you want to take out plates, bowls, cups, and containers, but they're still wet? I used to take a towel and dry such dishes by hand. It took a lot of time, but I didn't like the water streaks it left behind. This problem often occurs with plastic containers. Plastic dishes don't retain heat, so they dry more slowly. You often take them out of the dish, washer still wet. Sometimes even regular dishes or cups are wet. However, there is a way to ensure that dishes, including plastic ones, are dry. You won't see a single drop of water on them anymore. The problem will disappear in just a few minutes. All you need is a towel, or even two. But you won't be wiping the dishes with them at all. The towel will do all the work for you. After a while, the dishes will be dry. Just use a regular dish towel. When the dishwasher finishes its cycle, pass it through the dishwasher door and close it. The dry towel will absorb all the moisture from the dishwasher. You can hang even 2 towels through the dishwasher door. The effect will be 100%. A small terry towel will also work very well. In just a few minutes, your dishes will be dry. A technician once recommended that I run my dishwasher this way once a month. This method effectively cleans the dishwasher of all dirt and odors, refreshing it without any scrubbing. If your dishwasher emits an unpleasant smell after every cycle, it's time to try this method. When you open the dishwasher, it appears clean and even shiny. So, where does the bad smell come from? Food residues accumulate in the filter. Just unscrew it, and you'll see how much dirt is there. Despite using the best dishwasher tablets, they can't remove all the grime. Over time, this results in a bad odor emanating from the dishwasher. Fortunately, the technician who installed my dishwasher recommended a simple solution. Prepare a bowl and place it in the dishwasher. Pour vinegar into the bowl. It's best to use the largest bowl that will fit to add more vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher. Do not put any other items in the dishwasher. Run it on a hot cycle and that's it. As the cycle starts, water will flush the vinegar from the bowl, and it will clean the entire dishwasher. The baking soda will also contribute to cleaning the interior. Use this method once a month and your dishwasher will always be clean and fresh. Cut your dishwasher tablet in half. There's a very good reason to do this, though the manufacturer won't tell you. You've probably run the dishwasher when it seemed full, but have you noticed it's not always fully loaded? Your dishes and kitchenware come in different sizes, and some take up much more space. That's why it makes sense to have dishwasher tablets in different sizes. It's not only a money saver, but also proof that in most cases, half a tablet is enough for one wash. So, grab a sharp knife and cut the tablet in half. Place 1/2 in the detergent compartment and start the dishwasher. You'll never have to use a full tablet for one cycle again, especially when washing large pots and pans that take up space, but don't require a lot of detergent to get clean. That's reason enough to start cutting your dishwasher tablets in half. Not only will you save money, but you'll also reduce the amount of detergent used, which is better for the environment. Put toilet paper in your dishwasher. You'll thank yourself later. After the dishwasher finishes the washing cycle, place a roll of toilet paper inside and close the dishwasher. The paper will quickly absorb excess water from the dishes, preventing spots and streaks. In just a few minutes, your dishes will be dry and you can put them away. This simple trick saves time and makes cleaning easier.